Are you tired of struggling with manual screwdrivers and feeling overwhelmed by the endless options when shopping for power drills? Do you find yourself wondering which drill will actually handle your weekend projects without breaking the bank or your back? Whether you're hanging pictures, building furniture, or tackling that deck project you've been putting off, choosing the right power drill can make the difference between a satisfying DIY experience and a frustrating nightmare. Today, we're diving deep into the world of cordless drills to bring you the 6 best options for DIY enthusiasts. 6. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill and Driver. Starting our countdown at number 6, we have the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill, a tool that positions itself as the entry-level solution for homeowners. During my testing, this drill immediately stood out for its lightweight design at just 2.6 pounds with the battery attached, making it the lightest option in the budget category. The 11-position clutch system works adequately for basic fastening tasks, and the LED light placement is actually quite good, illuminating the work area effectively during use. However, my extended testing revealed several concerning limitations that potential buyers should consider carefully. The brushed motor, while keeping costs down, lacks the efficiency and longevity of brushless alternatives found in higher-end models. When I put this drill through demanding applications like drilling through hardwood with larger bits, it struggled significantly, often requiring multiple attempts to complete holes that other drills handled effortlessly. The single-speed design also proved restrictive, forcing users to rely entirely on trigger feathering for speed control, which becomes tiring during extended use sessions. The 3/8-inch plastic chuck, while functional for basic tasks, showed concerning flexibility under load during my testing. When driving larger screws or using substantial drill bits, I noticed the chuck would occasionally slip, requiring frequent retightening. This became particularly problematic during furniture assembly projects where consistent torque application is crucial. The 96 lbs of torque output, while sufficient for light-duty tasks, left me wanting more power when tackling anything beyond basic picture hanging or small repairs. 5. Milwaukee M18. The Milwaukee M18 series represents a significant step up in the professional tool category, and during my testing, it demonstrated the kind of power and build quality that has made Milwaukee a respected name among contractors. The brushless motor technology delivers impressive performance, with the ability to handle demanding applications that would overwhelm budget alternatives. The all-metal gear case and robust construction clearly indicate this tool is built for serious use, and the RedLink intelligence system provides excellent protection against overloads and overheating. However, my testing revealed that the Milwaukee M18, while powerful, comes with trade-offs that DIY users should carefully consider. The weight and bulk of this drill, particularly when equipped with higher capacity batteries, can become fatiguing during overhead work or extended use sessions. I found myself switching hands more frequently than with lighter alternatives, and the substantial size made it challenging to work in tight spaces like inside cabinets or between wall studs. The aggressive power delivery, while excellent for professional applications, can be overwhelming for inexperienced users, leading to stripped screws or damaged materials if not handled carefully. The price point presents another significant consideration for DIY enthusiasts. While the performance justifies the cost for professional users who rely on their tools daily, the investment required for the Milwaukee M18 system can be substantial for weekend warriors. 4. CRAFTSMAN CMCD 700C1. Moving into the middle tier of our rankings, the CRAFTSMAN CMCD 700C1 represents an excellent balance of capability and value that impressed me throughout my testing period. This drill features a 1/2-inch chuck that can handle a wide range of bits and accessories, paired with a 24-position clutch that provides precise torque control for various applications. The 2-speed gearbox offers versatility with 0 to 350 RPM in low speed for high torque applications and up to 1,500 RPM in high speed for faster drilling, giving users the flexibility to match their tool to the task at hand. During my extensive testing, the CRAFTSMAN consistently delivered reliable performance across a variety of DIY projects. The ergonomic design proved comfortable during extended use sessions, and the weight distribution felt well balanced, reducing fatigue compared to some heavier alternatives. The LED work light, while not the brightest I've encountered, provided adequate illumination for most tasks, and its positioning effectively lit up the work area without creating shadows. The keyless chuck operated smoothly and held bits securely throughout my testing, even when subjected to higher torque applications. The 20V lithium-ion battery system performed admirably during real-world testing scenarios. I was able to complete typical weekend projects like assembling furniture, hanging shelves, and basic repairs on a single charge. The battery gauge, while simple, provided useful feedback about remaining power, helping me plan work sessions effectively. 3. Ryobi 1 Plus HP. The Ryobi 1 Plus HP system earned its place in our top 3 through impressive performance that consistently exceeded my expectations during testing. This brushless drill delivers up to 750 Nlbs of torque, which proved more than adequate for demanding DIY applications throughout my evaluation period. The 2-speed gearbox provides excellent range with 0-500 RPM in low speed and 0-2,100 RPM in high speed, giving users the flexibility to tackle everything from delicate finish work to aggressive material removal. What immediately struck me during testing was the exceptional balance of size, weight, and power that Ryobi achieved with this model. Despite packing serious capability, the drill remained comfortable to use during extended sessions, and the compact design allowed access to tight spaces that larger professional drills couldn't reach. The brushless motor technology delivered impressive efficiency, extending battery life significantly compared to brushed alternatives, and the power delivery remained smooth and consistent throughout the entire charge cycle. The 24-position clutch system proved to be one of the standout features during my testing. The settings provided excellent granular control, allowing me to fine-tune torque output for different materials and fastener sizes. I found the clutch engagement to be smooth and predictable, reducing the likelihood of stripped screws or damaged materials. The ratcheting metal chuck held bits securely throughout testing, even during high-torque applications, and the keyless design made bit changes quick and effortless. 2. Bosch PS31-2A12V. Securing the second position in our rankings, the Bosch PS31-2A12V drill demonstrated that compact size doesn't have to mean compromised performance. During my extensive testing, this lightweight powerhouse at just 1.8 pounds consistently delivered impressive results that belied its diminutive stature. The 12V system provides an excellent balance of power and portability, making it ideal for users who prioritize maneuverability and reduced fatigue during extended use sessions. The engineering excellence that Bosch is known for becomes immediately apparent when handling this drill. The frameless motor design contributes to the compact head length of just 7 inches, allowing access to tight spaces that larger drills simply cannot reach. During my testing in cramped cabinet installations and overhead work, this compact design proved invaluable. Despite its small size, the drill delivered 265 Nlbs of torque, which proved sufficient for the vast majority of DIY applications I encountered during evaluation. The 2-speed transmission with settings of 0-350 RPM and 0-1,300 RPM provided excellent versatility during testing. The lower speed setting delivered impressive torque for driving screws, while the higher speed handled drilling tasks efficiently. The 20+1 clutch settings offered precise control over torque output, and I found the clutch engagement to be smooth and predictable throughout testing. The 3/8-inch single-sleeve chuck operated smoothly and held bits securely, even during demanding applications. 1. Flex F x 1171 T-2B. Taking the top spot in our rankings, the Flex F x 1171 T-2B represents the pinnacle of cordless drill technology for serious DIY enthusiasts. During my comprehensive testing, this drill consistently delivered industry-leading performance that justified its premium position. The 24V brushless motor system produces an astounding 1,400 Nlbs of torque, making it capable of handling the most demanding applications that DIY users might encounter, from large-diameter hole drilling to driving substantial lag screws. The innovative turbo mode feature proved to be a game-changer during testing, providing increased speed when maximum performance is required. The standard speeds of 0-550/0-2,000 RPM expand to 0-700/0-2, 500 RPM in turbo mode, delivering exceptional versatility for different applications. The sensor-free brushless motor design eliminates friction points that plague traditional motors, resulting in superior efficiency and longevity that became apparent during extended testing sessions. Build quality and engineering excellence define every aspect of the Flex F times 1170 1T-2B. The half-inch full metal ratcheting chuck with carbide teeth provided exceptional bit retention during testing, never slipping even under maximum torque applications. The anti-kickback technology proved invaluable during testing with large bits, providing confidence and safety when the drill encountered binding situations. The 22+D clutch settings offered precise control over torque output, with smooth engagement that prevented fastener damage. The battery system represents another area where Flex excels. The included 2.5 Ah and 5.0 Ah lithium-ion batteries provided exceptional runtime during testing, easily handling full-day projects without requiring recharging. Final thought: whether you're just starting your DIY journey or you're a seasoned weekend warrior, choosing the right drill can transform your project experience from frustrating to fulfilling. Each of these 6 drills serves different needs and budgets, but they all have the potential to help you create, repair, and build with confidence.